Yes. Sixth question. If angle A and angle B are acute angle it means more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Such that he given cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. I taken one triangle BCA. Angle C is 90 degree. Angle A and angle B both are acute angle. First cos A. See here cos A. This is the opposite side. This is the hypotenuse. This is the adjacent side. Cos A means adjacent by hypotenuse. Therefore AC by AB. AC by AB. Then cos B. See here cos B. Angle B is the opposite side. This is the adjacent side. Therefore cos B is adjacent by hypotenuse. Therefore BC by AB. BC by AB. He given cos A is equal to cos B. Cos A is equal to cos B. Therefore cos A is AC by AB. Cos B is BC by AB. AC dividing by BC, replacing both. AB comes here. AB by AB. Therefore AB get cancelled, remains only 1. Therefore AC BC into 1 BC. AC is equal to BC. We have to prove AC is equal to BC. See here, in a triangle ABC, two sides are equal, AC and BC. Then opposite angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle B. This is the isosceles right triangle. We have to call isosceles right triangle. And both sides are when equal, ending angles are always equal. Therefore angle A is equal to angle B. See here, seventh one. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate. First question, there are two questions are there. First question, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. What is the value of that? And second one, cot square theta. See here, this is a triangle ABC. I taken angle B is a 90 degree. Therefore, this is a opposite side. AC is a hypotenuse. I indicate angle theta here. Angle C is the angle theta. This is the opposite side. This one is the adjacent side. He given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. See here, 7 is the adjacent, 8 is the opposite. We already know cot theta ratio adjacent by opposite. Therefore, adjacent is a 7, opposite is a 8. See here, adjacent is a 7, opposite is a 8. Triangle ABC is a right triangle. By applying Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB he given 8 square. BC also he given 7 square. 8 square is 64. 7 square is 49. Adding both numbers we get 113. Square it comes square root. AC is equal to square root of 113. Here AC means hypotenuse. He given root 113. You know sin theta and cos theta. See your first question, sin theta is there and cos theta is there. First you got that two value. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Already you know. See your opposite side is AB 8. Hypotenuse is AC root 113. This is sin theta. And second one cos theta. Cos theta you ratio you already you know, adjacent by hypotenuse. See here, adjacent side is 7, hypotenuse side is a root 113. First question, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, dividing by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. Already you know algebraic formula, A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. This is the algebraic formula. Therefore, this is A. This is a B, this is A, this is B. 1 plus is there, 1 minus is there. Therefore, A square minus B square. A square is a 1 square, B both are same. Sin theta, sin theta bracket square. Same, A plus B into A minus B. It is in the form of that formula. Therefore, A square minus B square. A square is 1 square minus B cos theta square. See here, 1 square is a 1 minus sin theta, already you find out the value 8 by root 113 bracket square. 1 minus cos theta value is 7 by root 113 bracket square. See here 1 as it is, 8 square is 64 and square and root get cancelled, remains only 113. 1 minus 7 square is a 49, same square and root get cancelled, remains only 113. The LCM of 113 and 1 is 113. 1 into 113 and 113 into 1 za. See here 113 1 za, 113 minus 64 1 za, 64. Same LCM of 1 and 113 is 113. 1 into 113. See here 113 1 za, 113 minus 49. See here 113 113 get cancelled. 113 minus 64 is a 49. 113 minus 49 is a 64. Therefore, this is the answer of a first question. Second one is there. Second one is cot square theta. See here, cot square theta, it means cot theta bracket square. Both are same. Cot square theta is also same. Cot theta bracket square is the same. You already know he given cot theta value 7 by 8. See here 7 by 8 bracket square. 7 square is a 49. 8 square is a 64. Therefore answer is a 49 by 64. One. See here 8th one. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, he given 3 cot A is equal to 4. Check whether. See here, this is LHS, this is a RHS. 1 minus tan square A dividing by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. He said both are equal or not. I taken one right triangle ABC, 90 degree at angle B. See here, this is the opposite side hypotenuse. I mark angle A. This is the opposite side. This is the adjacent side. He given 3 cot A is equal to 4. Cot A is equal to 4 dividing by 3. See here, cot means adjacent by opposite. Therefore, adjacent side is 4. Opposite side is 3. Therefore, this is AB is a 4, BC is a 3. In a triangle, ABC is a right triangle. By applying Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. See here, AB he given 4 square, BC is a 3 square, 4 square 16, 3 square 9. 16 plus 9 is a 25. And square is a comes square root. AC is equal to square root of 25 is a 5. Therefore, hypotenuse side AC is a 5. See here, tan A, cos A and sin A. 3 ratios are there. Tan A, cos A and sin A. I taken tan A, cos A and sin A. The value of 3 ratios. First tan A. Tan A is the opposite by adjacent. Already you know ratio. Opposite side is a 3. Adjacent side is a 4. Therefore 3 by 4 tan A. And then cos A is the adjacent by hypotenuse. You already know adjacent is a 4, hypotenuse is a 5. Therefore this is a 4 by 5. And then sin A. You already know ratio opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side is a 3, hypotenuse side is a 5. Therefore 3 by 5. See here I taken first LHS. LHS is 1 minus tan square A dividing by 1 plus tan square A. 1 minus tan A. You know the tan A value 3 by 4. See here 3 by 4 square. 1 plus tan A 3 by 4 bracket square. See here 1 minus 3 square is a 9, 4 square is a 16. 1 plus 3 square is a 9, 4 square is a 16. You get 16 ones are 16 minus 9. LCM is a 16. See here LCM is a 16. 16 plus 9 dividing by 16. 16 get cancelled. 16 minus 9 is 7. 16 plus 9 is a adding. 16 plus 9 is a 25. Therefore LHS is a 7 by 25. See here RHS. This is RHS. Cos square A minus sin square A. Cos A value already you know 4 by 5. Square is there. 4 by 5 square minus sin A. See here sin A is a 3 by 5. Therefore 3 by 5 bracket square. 4 square is a 16. 5 square is a 25. 3 square is a 9. 5 square is a 25. LCM is a 25. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is a 7 by 25. This is a RHS. Here LHS is also same 7 by 25 and this RHS is also 7 by 25. Both LHS and RHS are equal. Therefore it is a true. What? 1 minus tan square A dividing by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Both are equal. Here ninth one. In a triangle ABC, a right angle at B. See a right angle at B. If tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of the given first one sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. This is the value. And second one cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. He change angle once sin A and sin C. Cos C and cos A. See here, this is a triangle ABC, right angle at B. So this is the hypotenuse side. I mark angle A, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side. He given tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Already you know tan ratio or opposite by adjacent. So here opposite side is 1, adjacent side is root 3. ABC is a right triangle. By applying Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So here AB is a root 3 square plus BC square is a 1 square. Square and root get cancelled, remains only 3 plus 1 square is a 1. 3 plus 1 is a 4. The square root of 4 is a 2. See here AC hypotenuse value is a 2. I taken sin A and sin C. Then cos A and cos C. Both 4 values. See here first sin A. Angle A sin A. This is the opposite side. This is the hypotenuse side. Opposite by hypotenuse. Therefore 1 by 2. And then cos A. Cos A is the adjacent by hypotenuse. Already you know. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Therefore root 3 by 2. And then sin C. See here. I mark angle C. This is the opposite side. This is the adjacent side. Sin C is the opposite by hypotenuse. Therefore root 3 by 2. And cos C. See here. Cos C is adjacent by hypotenuse. Therefore 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So first is sin A cos C plus cos A and sin C plus cos A sin C. See here sin A value 1 by 2 into cos C. Cos C value 1 by 2 plus cos A value root 3 by 2 into sin C value root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1. 1 by 4 plus 2 2s are 4. Root 3 see here. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 square. Square root get cancelled, only remains 3. Or root 3 into root 3 root 9. Square root of 9 is a 3. Therefore this is a 3 by 4. LCM is a 4. Therefore 3 plus 1. 4 by 4. 4 4 get cancelled. 4 4 get cancelled, remains only 1. This is the answer is the 1. See here second one. Second one. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. See here cos A value root 3 by 2 into cos C. Cos C value 1 by 2 minus sin A value 1 by 2 into sin C root 3 by 2. Sin C value root 3 by 2. So here root 3 into 1 root 3. 2 2s are 4 minus 1 into root 3 is a root 3. 2 2s are 4. Both are root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. Answer is 0. This is the answer is 0. Here 10th one. In a triangle PQR, right angle at Q. PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. See here PQR is a right angle at Q. I mark angle P. Therefore this is opposite side. This is hypotenuse. This is the adjacent side. He given PR plus QR is equal to 25. Here I taken PR. PR is X. I taken this is a X. Therefore, PR is equal to X. Let PR is equal to X centimeter. See here, QR is equal to 25 plus PR is comes minus PR. Therefore, 25 minus PR is a X. 25 minus X. See here once again, QR is equal to 25 plus PR is a comes minus PR. 25 minus PR is a I taken X. Therefore, QR 25 minus X. Here PQR is a right triangle. By applying Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. He given PQ, see here, PQ he given 5 square. I taken PR is X, therefore X square. QR, see here, 25 minus X bracket square. X square, 5 square is 25, and this one is A minus B whole square. This formula. Already you know, A square plus B square minus 2AB. See here, A square, A value 25 and B value X. 25 square, A square plus B square is X square minus 2AB. 2 into A means 25, B means X. Therefore, X square get cancelled because plus X square it comes minus X square. 25 square. Square root square of 25, 625, and minus 2 into 25 is a 50x. See here, minus 50x is comes plus 50x. 625 plus 25 is 650. X is equal to 650 dividing by 50. 50 ones are 15, 13. Therefore, X value is a 13 centimeter. See here, PR is I taken X. X means a 13. And PQ he given 5 centimeter. See here, PQ is a 5 and this is a 13. And QR is a 25 minus X. 25 minus X is a 13. Therefore, 25 minus 13 is a 12. 25 minus 13 is a 12. See here, first sin P. Sin opposite by hypotenuse. See here, opposite side is QR, hypotenuse side is PR. Therefore, answer is 12 by 13. And then cos P, adjacent by hypotenuse. See here, adjacent side is PQ, hypotenuse side is PR. PQ is a 5 and hypotenuse side is PR is a 13. And then tan P, opposite by adjacent. See here, opposite side is QR, adjacent side is PQ. Therefore, 12 by